Hey everybody, do you want to know what industry Cathy Wood from Ark Invest says is going to be worth 35 Amazons? Uh, I don't know exactly what day she said that, but she did say that. And as of right now, Amazon is got a 1.58, a little bit over a $1.5 trillion market cap. So basically, it's the industry she is talking about is AI, artificial intelligence, and robotics. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go into a clip here, and I'm going to show you some background on Ark Invest and the industry and the companies that they're talking about with respect to AI.
Ark Invest CEO Cathy Wood said that this industry would be worth $17 trillion. A couple years ago, she said that it would be worth 35 Amazons, and around the same time, she made a bold prediction about Tesla that it would be a multi-trillion-dollar company when its market cap was less than $100 billion. So she's definitely someone you need to keep.
Just to give you a little context, at the time of this recording, it is December 15th, okay? And December 15th, right now, Tesla's market cap is really high because they're about to be included into the S&P 500. Their market cap is 600 billion. So she was saying, Cathy Wood from Ark Invest was saying that Tesla was going to be a multi-trillion-dollar market cap company when they were 100 billion in market cap or less. So 6 times less than what they are now. She was saying that. And oh, by the way, I've got another clip for you. I'm going to show you who Cathy Wood is from Ark Invest. She was on Tesla in late January, early February, talking about Tesla, giving a bear case, a base case, and a bull case price target for Tesla. Her, just so you know, her base case price target for Tesla is $7,500 for 2024, and then her bull case price target for Tesla 2024 is 15,000. I'm going to go ahead and show you that screen in a minute as well.
Keep an eye out for. So in today's video, I thought we'd go over exactly what industry she's talking about, a couple of companies that you could invest in this industry to take advantage of it, and at the end of the video, make sure to stick around until the end because we're going to go over the best way to invest in this industry rather than investing in individual stocks. There's a specific ETF that covers the entire industry. Days I've made 175,000. I don't share on YouTube, and if you want millionaire. Anyways, let's take a look at what industry Ark Invest is talking about. Ark Invest says that deep learning could approach a global market cap of $17 trillion in 20 years. And to put that into perspective, right now, Amazon, the entire company by itself, is currently less than $2 trillion market cap. So she's saying that deep learning would be a $17 trillion opportunity, which is absolutely huge. And rather than investing in individual stocks, we're going to go over a couple of ETFs as well as individual stocks to help you take advantage of it. One company that I'd like to point out is called C3.ai, and it's an artificial intelligence company that just IPO'd a couple of weeks ago.
Hey everybody, what we're going to do is we're just going to hop over to Ark, the Ark website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you Ark has got, I'm starting to do more videos on Ark because I actually have positions. I've been following Ark, but I have positions in Ark Next Generation Internet, and then their Innovation ETF. So I've got positions in both of those too. This one is about it's about the AI and the robotics, and they do have an ETF for that. So let's go ahead and hop over there and check it out. And again, just as you can see from that video, I mean, 20 years is kind of a long time from now. So, you figure 17 trillion. I mean, who knows? Amazon might actually be 17 trillion in 20 years from now. So I guess, yeah. So you can kind of do, what you want with the information. But bottom line is, it's a growing industry. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Ark Invest Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. So right here, and if you haven't already, what I recommend you do is you can go to Ark website and you can actually sign up for their trade alerts, right? So I actually sign up for their trade alerts, and in my email, I get an email that actually highlights all of their trades. Like for example, today I got December 15 trades, all the December 15 trades of Ark, which all of them were buys, which is actually great news. They do have some sort of policies where if any one particular stock becomes more than 10%, of that particular ETF, they have to start selling shares if it's more than 10%. It might be 10 point something or other, but in any case, it is some sort of a policy that they have. So the fact that most of the time I'm seeing information come over that's talking about their buys is a great thing. So this is the actual fund here. It's the Ark Autonomous Technology and Robotics. And with this, you can see basically their year to date is 54.16. This is actually quite a bit lower than the other two funds I have. Again, I invest in the Ark Innovation and then the Next Generation Internet, and both of those are over 80%. So this particular ETF here, focusing on robotics and autonomous technology and robotics, is performing lower because it's still in the growth phase. But basically, yeah. So year to date we have 54. 1 year we've got 81.04%. And then from here, we can also see, the top holdings that they have here. Got Tesla in here. Yeah, so there's basically these are the top holdings for this particular fund. Just in case you want to have a look and so you can recognize if you do watch CNBC or you do watch some more YouTube videos on investing, just to take a look here, this is what Cathy Wood looks like. And this is from her, well, this is actually the, right here, if you take a look, this is the screen that when they did the Ark Invest target for Tesla, the bear case was 1,500 to 2024, 7,000 base, 15,000 bull case 2024. So it was a big deal.
On what bricks is this $7,000 found?
It was a big deal when that happened, but just to give you a quick little, here she is right there. So that is Cathy Wood for you, just a quick visual for you. So I'm not going to play her talking, but basically she's got a lot of reasons why she's got such a bull case for Tesla. But anyway, she's kind of known right now as one of the Wall Street's biggest Tesla bulls when she assigned that $7,500 price target and that $15,000 price target, and she's on the road to actually having those targets come to reality. So hopefully you all liked that video and you found that interesting. Again, AI, artificial intelligence, and robotics projected by Ark to be a $17 trillion industry in 20 years. So that's quite a bit of time, but you can invest in that ETF over at Ark, or you could start doing research on those companies. I personally do not have any exposure to robotics or artificial intelligence companies. I am watching the Ark ETF, but I am not investing in the AI ETF over there just yet. Remember, if you aren't already, you can make money from your social media profiles. You can generate leads, generate profits. You could partner with me and partner with a team that has generated, basically holds the world record for the fastest website funnel to generate $1 million, and that record is 28 days. We've also generated over $17 million from our funnels that we have started, and it's an opportunity to partner with me. Okay. Next, I have a blueprint. I just came out with a wealth and a guaranteed credit. 5 credit cards, kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 credit cards. And that blueprint is only $7. I've got a credit section. I've got an investing section, online income section, financial independence, and business credit section in that. And I continue to make the blueprint better and better as time goes on. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Hope you liked that video, and let me know if you're interested in artificial intelligence.